Artyom Morozov is the only arm wrestler who recently arm wrestled Vitaly both left and right-handed. And he said something that Devon Larratt and the Devon Larratt fans are not going to enjoy listening to. Before we discuss that, let me correct my mistake from the previous video. I mentioned that Voivoda's second place performance at the Russian Nationals is not so great because guys like Silayev, Chirvovov, Zaur Feyzulayev, they don't compete at the Nationals. But as many viewers corrected me in the comments, it was not the super heavyweight division. So even if they were there, they wouldn't be competing in Voivoda's 110 kg class. So if Voivoda is walking around under 110 kilos, then 105 kg is the perfect class for him. Can we find any East versus West opponents for him in that class? Let's take a look. Let's completely ignore the top 5 guys. From number 6, we have Matt Mask, who clearly is going to be too strong for Voivoda. Kedargali Ongarbayev's comeback match against Voivoda can be interesting, but only if he's not in the top shape anymore. If he is also going to be too strong for Voivoda. Zirakashvili again too much. Yoshinobu Kanai, nope. Petro Margarint, nope. So we have to go to the left-handed rankings if we start from the top. Maybe a right-handed match against Alijan, but Alijan's right is also looking good these days. Ivan, no way. Prudnik, no way. Dadikian, Petrenko, Oleg Zok does not compete right-handed. Zurab Tavbaridze right-handed can be a match. I think it can be a good one. Aymeric Pradin's not interesting. Breda, Robbie Topi, Matt Mask. So there is no one at East versus West that Voivoda can compete against. So I guess either he has to get really strong or keep competing in Russia. Now let's get back to the Terminator. Morozov said in the recent GOB channel video that he did not expect Devon to stop Vitaly at all. But he did. Even then, he still kind of knew that Vitaly will have to use the flop press to defeat Devon, because Devon has such a style and such a hand that no matter who you are, no matter what kind of hand you have, he will open your fingers. And obviously that information is coming from the practice pull which Morozov had with Devon. But even Morozov did not expect a flop press from Devon, which clearly stopped Vitaly in the center. Even though there were some fouls, but Devon did stop him. The right arm match will be different, but Vitaly will win again because his right arm is much stronger. It is about 20% stronger than his left. Now that is a serious comment. 20% is a big margin. I don't think it is true. But if Morozov thinks, who am I to question it? He's the only guy to have competed against Vitaly both left and right. And he pinned Vitaly's left arm in round 1 and he got flash pinned 3 times in a row on the right arm. So maybe he is right. I have not seen such performance from Devon Larratt. He beat Kurdecha on the left arm 3-0. He beat him on the right arm too, but there was no flash pin in the first round. And on top of that, Morozov knows that Vitaly's fighting style is different. Because of some injuries, he cannot do some things on the left which he can do on the right. Maybe he was talking about the flop press. And if that is the case, if Vitaly can already flop press Devon's left, what is he going to do to his right? He also said that Vitaly's right arm is very strong. It's very stiff. And that's the reason why Levan Saginashvili ran away from the fight. There was no complete break in Levan's bicep. There was no tendon break. There was no complete tear or even partial tear. And Morozov knows that because he had the same injury, he didn't do bicep curls for a couple of weeks and he was good to go. So Levan could have done the same. If Levan is ready to arm wrestle Michael Todd, then why not Vitaly? I'm not sure where Morozov is getting this information from, but he was talking as if the Michael versus Levan match is already almost confirmed. And that's why Morozov thinks that Levan is afraid of Vitaly. He's afraid of Vitaly because he has a serious wrist injury which nobody is talking about now. If you want to see whether Morozov's prediction of the Devon vs Vitaly match is true or not, purchase the pay-per-view by using code Pradeep to get 5% off.